Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's dive in. The first thing we did was to decouple the motor, separate it. I can see that my boss is holding it. He's checking if it's burnt. We have confirmed it's burnt, and at this point we are about to take diagram. Here I'm stripping the coils, removing the coils so that we can put in a new one. You can see how very burnt it is, and it has to be done with a lot of energy. Here I'm using a cutter to cut the coils for more stripping. This is a 2-pole motor, so I have to cut 6 coils, 3 in series. This is a high-speed motor which is 2,800 RPM. Now we have stripped all the coils and we are about to count the last coils. I've cut it so that I can count it, and I've already counted it, and it came out to 100 with 2 wires and this gives us 50 tons. Here is the insulation, and here after the former is taken, sir is making the coils. I told you that it's about 50 tons, 2 wires a hand. So do this 50 times, then because it's 3 in series, we'll do it 3 times. Okay, now we are putting in the first coil. The first coil is to check if the former is good, and this will be done personally by my boss. So make sure that it's good before he makes the next coil. You can see that he's using a stick. The stick is called a winding stick. He uses it to help make sure the coils enter the slot. Now it has been confirmed good, and now we are putting at this point. We are putting about 4 coils. No, 3 coils. The moment we are putting about 3 coils. That is a mallet hammer we use for the coils, not the hammer, so that it doesn't have any scratch. Now 4 coils have been put, all 6 coils have been put. Now we are binding the back after proper separation has been done. We use a moment paper point 2 to make sure that we separate phase U and W. Now you see that we are binding it, and it has to be binded very strong because we don't want it to shake. And this is like one of the most critical parts in the winding. Without proper separation, your coil is going to get burnt again. We are still binding the coil and we are almost done. We are almost done. You can see that this is a very time-taking process, and it has to be done by experts. Like and subscribe for more videos. After the back have been binded, now it's time for the connection. The connection will be done by my boss, and this is a start to end connection. And this will bring us 6 wires. This is the new phase. This is U1, U2, V1, V2, and V3. After connection has been done, now the front and the back have been binded. You can see here that this is a 7.5 kilowatts motor. At this point, I'm troughing the coil. The troughing of the coil is to make sure that the normal sweeper doesn't push the rotor, and this will not scratch it, so that it will not hurt the coils. This has to be done slowly and carefully to make sure you don't break the normal sweeper. Now we are checking after troughing, you have to make sure to check for continuity to make sure you do not cut any coils. This is done by me. I'm checking that each phase is balanced. Here we got about 2.3 tons. And after this, we will do another test. Like and subscribe to my video. Follow me and enjoy more technical expertise from my channel. Bye.